So, hi dear Aquarius, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal mid-monthly reading for all the Aquarius Sun, Moon, Venus rising. Keep in mind, this is general. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, I'm going to tap into recent, past, current energies, and near future, and I will see you the guidance for you guys as usual, starting with the overall energies. Okay, and it's not a love reading or career reading or anything specific, but whatever messages will come, I will just let you guys know. Okay. If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, but you want to start your self-healing journey, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. It has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Okay, Aquarius. The overall energy for Aquarius people for the rest of the month of August 2024 is, let's see. We have the Knight of Swords, running away from something or someone as far as you can because you don't want to deal it with anymore. It's like, I'm done. I don't want to see your dead ass. Okay. I'm just kidding. It's like you trying to run away from a situation that is quite important to deal with. It's like, I don't want to deal with it anymore. You have to. The more you are going to run away from this, the more it's going to be difficult for you to deal with it in the future. So it's better to deal with it right now with a calm and composed energy. Even if you don't want to deal with it right now, don't be so rude or don't be so harsh or don't be so much in this cold and off and detached kind of energies. Okay, just calm down, baby, calm down. Okay, let's see in the recent past what was happening, Aquarius. We have the Page of Pentacles. You started something or you were planning to start something. It was like totally fresh. It was like a business opportunity, job or career opportunity, or investing in something or someone. It was just the start of something fresh or trying to start something fresh. In the current energies, we have the Eight of Pentacles, putting in the effort and energy in the right direction as much as you can from your side, and remaining quite optimistic and positive about it. Like, yeah, it's going to work out. I know it's going to work out because I'm doing it right this time. By the end of this one, 10 of wands, something stressing the hell out of you, but you're dropping that because it's going to stress you. Like you are going to be like, okay, it's too much, drop it. Okay, drop it. Okay, let's clarify these cards one by one. Let's see what's happening. Let's clarify the Page of Pentacles in the recent past for you guys. We have the King of Wands, the Lovers, and the Eight of Cups. You started something with a lot of passion, with a lot of this energy of, oh my god, this connection, this person, this situation, this business, this job, this career, brilliant. But you lost interest. Either you lost interest or you felt like, my god, it's not something that I felt like it is, so it's like, bye. So you started something with a lot of passion, with a lot of this energy of, yeah, this might happen, that will happen, that this is going to happen, that is going to happen. I'm going to make this work out. I'm quite passionate. I'm quite optimistic. I'm quite this and that and blah blah blah. But then you realize, no, it's not like that. So you walked away. You said goodbye. It's enough. I'm done. Goodbye. Okay. Now, right now, you are in this energy of putting in the effort and energy in the right direction from your side because you feel now you are doing the right thing by choosing something, by putting in the effort and energy in a direction where you feel like this is the right deal. Okay, let's clarify the Eight of Pentacles. Let's see. Let's clarify the Eight of Pentacles here from what you are doing from the universe. Two of Wands, the World card, King of Cups. Yeah, you are in this energy of putting an end to waiting for something or someone. You are in this energy of putting in the effort and energy in people, situations, connections, and things that's actually giving you something good in return. Whether it's in the form of love, whether it's in the form of giving you good work, good energies, good vibes, good connections, whatever it is. Now you are no longer waiting for people or situations or connections to show up in your life and give you happiness. Now you are in this energy of, okay, let me create my own happiness, and whosoever is going to join my path, I'm going to let them in, and whosoever is leaving me, it's fine, I am okay without them as well. So putting in the effort and energy in creating your own reality with happiness, with growth, with this energy of whosoever is meant for me is going to be with me, is going to stick around, and if they are not, they are going to leave me, and I'm quite fine with that. That's really cool. That's a really, really cool energy. Okay, by the end of this month we have the 10 of wands. Let's clarify this 10 of wands, what is happening, what is coming. Let's clarify this. We have this seven of cups, the death card, and the queen of cups. Yeah, there will be no more confusion about a particular person or situation. Something is going to weigh you down, something is going to stress the hell out of you. You are going to be like, okay, should I do this, should I not, should I do this, should I not? And then suddenly you are going to realize, okay, I was doing something in the past that was working out for me, and that was self-love, self-care, self-healing. And then you're going to realize again, okay, fuck this shit, fuck this bullshit, fuck this confusion, fuck this weighing yourself down because of something or someone. Let's go back to that era where I was in love with myself and I was taking care of myself, and everything and everyone was aligning with me. So you are going to go back to this era, right? Like the current era. So in the coming future you are going to forget about this energy that you are dealing with right now, like, okay, whosoever, whatever is meant for me will come to me eventually. You are going to carry this energy for a little bit, then you are going to go back to the same kind of energy of I want something, I want someone, I want this, I want that. And then you are going to confuse yourself till you're going to shit in your pants or something. And then suddenly you're going to realize, oh my god, I should not do that, because in the past I was doing something that was working out in my favor very, very beautifully, so let me do that again. And in the future you are going to do that with a very, very loving, compassionate and nurturing kind of energy, and in a very feminine kind of energy. This time you are going to be in a very loving, compassionate, nurturing and giving kind of energy. It's like you are going to be in this energy of, okay, let me give love, let me give blessings, let me give forgiveness, okay, and let me be open to new people, new connection, new thing, new situation, new blessings, so that again everything and everyone that's meant for me is going to come to me naturally. I am going to attract, I'm not going to chase. That is going to be your mantra by the end of this month, and you're going to literally attract a lot of positive people, situations and connections towards yourself by just being yourself, and by just being in this energy of self care, self love and self healing, and by being in this energy of alignment with the universe. Perfect, perfect. Just so proud of you, Aquarius. So proud of you. Let's see the guidance for you guys for the rest of the month of August 2024. We have this Knight of Wands, the Lovers, and the Ace of Wands. Yeah. See, all you have to do is to enjoy your life without expecting anything in return. Enjoy your life, be a giver, be a lover to everything and everyone, not to a particular person or situation, not to be miserable that, oh my God, I just need this person, or I just need this energy, or I just need this kind of connection only. Then only I will be happy. I want to have this kind of brand new beginning with that particular person or energy. Then I will be happy. No, don't do that. Okay, whenever you are going to attach your happiness or your fulfillment, wish fulfillment to a particular person or energy, that is the exact time when your downfall is going to start. The universe right now wants you to be in that energy of high in self love, high in vibration, so that you are going to attract every kind of love, every kind of person and connection and situation to yourself. It's like a magnet. Yeah, so attracting like a magnet, you are going to attract people and situations and things like a magnet, until unless you're not going to have any kind of expectations from anybody or anything, and until unless you're going to attach yourself to a specific kind of particular specific kind of person or a specific person, you are going to be very happy. So this is the message for you guys for this the rest of the month of August 2024. Hope this helps. Yeah, so yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Aquarius. Oh my god. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.